Hey, how's it going, folks? Traded in the old sports car for a new family car. We got a Honda CRV Sport Hybrid. We went with this Sport Hybrid here, not the L, the regular old Sport Hybrid, because we didn't want the leather seats. So we lost out on a little bit of the old tech options, like the bigger screen and stuff, but we wanted cloth seats, so no big deal. It does have CarPlay, and Android Play, but you have to plug it in via a USB cable, which is no problem because our previous cars never had CarPlay, so no big deal. We did get the all-wheel drive Sport, as I mentioned. That's just because initially we were just going to get front-wheel drive, but they didn't have the color and the model that we wanted, except in all-wheel drive, and they made us a good deal, so we decided to go forward with it and pick it up. We've been driving it roughly a week, not very much. We've been away, so basically I've driven it like 2-3 short trips, very, very short trips. Loving it so far. Really comfortable, smooth, quiet on the road. It definitely is quiet, and you'll end up creeping in the speed, in the speeding zone very easily because it just drives so smoothly, and before you know it, you're speeding. So we went with this urban gray color. Looks dope right now. We'll try to keep it as clean as possible. We garage keep it at our house. Here's some footage of the EV part of it. So you got the motor and the battery, and when you lift off the gas, it jumps back into battery regenerative mode. Here's the all-wheel drive kind of torque vector. A little bit of the mileage thing here, which is not accurate because I've been driving like an idiot. So when we first got it, I think I was averaging like 39. Yeah. So battery here. Once you jam on the gas, the motor kicks in and sends power all around, all to all wheels, and charges the battery at the same time. It looks about a middle of the battery, and I think that's just for battery health. One option or mod that I've done so far is we actually added a little tray for the center console, which I'll show in a second. But here's me kind of accelerating pretty quickly with all the power going to all the wheels, so pretty dope. And again, on Amazon, I went and grabbed this little tray organizer tray thing here, and it made the deep cavernous center console a lot more useful. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you next time. Peace and aloha.